Greetings everyone and welcome. This is Neo and you are watching FinTech. If you enjoy our content, please do not forget to leave a like. You can subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to be informed about our later videos. If you have any questions, you can leave a comment below. Before we start our video, let's hear our legal disclaimer. None of the information given in this video should be taken as financial advice. Please do your own research before investing in anything. Diving into the world of cryptocurrency can be intimidating. Well, you and I, we all know about it and it seems very normal now. But think about a newcomer. Setting up wallets, managing private keys, dealing with confusing gas fees and enduring slow chain transactions when in real world you are used to fast and lightning speed transactions. So all of these can discourage new users. What I like about the project that I'm going to talk about today is exactly that, or rather the problem that they have. Because WeWake directly addresses these challenges by providing a unified platform that eliminates the need for prior crypto knowledge. So with WeWake, signing up is very straightforward. You don't have to worry about seed phrases or wallet installations. Instead, the platform basically allows you to use familiar accounts like Google, Apple, or Telegram to log in. And this design removes common barriers and makes the experience quite accessible even if you are completely new to crypto. So most probably, if you're watching this, you are not new to crypto, you are a regular follower of the channel. But think about to who this project can open doors to. And the good thing is, despite prioritizing this ease of use, WeWake does not compromise on security or performance, and we will talk about this in a bit. But beyond simplifying access, in WeWake you can see a lot of different crypto activities, and you can do these activities such as NFTs, token swaps, and of course decentralized finance, all without the hassle of bridging or waiting multiple connections or having multiple limitations. So such a smooth experience enabled by a sophisticated combination of blockchain innovations and abstracted wallet technology, turning onboarding into something as effortless as creating a new email account or creating a social media account basically. And one of the major things a lot of people have in their minds when they're approaching crypto is the fear that comes from the confusion of all of these things. And this has been historically true. And they're addressing exactly that, and I like that. Having said that, before we dive deeper into their technology, let me tell you about the pre-sale that is going on. So the WeWake token presale is currently progressing through stage 2, with each token priced at 0.0115. And this is quite a low number actually. This presale features many stages, as you can see on the dashboard, with prices incrementally increasing until the official listing, which is coming on major listing platforms. And of course, if you're an early investor, because the price will increase by each stage, the more chances you will have at the end to get something in return. Now that we're away with the pre-sale, let's get back to the project. And so far, we have talked about how this can be a game changer for new crypto users, but also for developers or companies or brands who are eager to build within this new and emerging Web3 space. WeWake offers powerful tools such as native SDK and white label solutions. These resources enable rapid development, deployment, and promotion of decentralized applications on WeWake's own infrastructure, freeing creators to focus on their products while leaving the rest to WeWake. And the rest is where a lot of complexities lie. So this strategy aims to attract more businesses and developers, accelerating the ecosystem growth. And I think many companies will want to take advantage of such an application. So I've mentioned that on the security front, they have a lot of abilities. A major technological backbone is the use of zero-knowledge rollups, ZK rollups, or as they were called, which improves scalability by offloading most computation off-chain while preserving transaction integrity on the main blockchain. This ensures fast, secure processing without burdening the network. And as a result, you also have the fast transaction speeds. In addition, WeWake employs ERC-4337 smart wallets, which use account abstraction to provide gasless transactions. And this is one of the highlights of the project. This feature effectively blends the simplicity expected from a Web2 user or Web2 interface, for example, with the robustness of Web3, making blockchain interaction seamless and cost-free from a user perspective, which many newcomers would expect, actually. And with that, WeWake also streamlines authentication by integrating OAuth and Telegram login options, replacing complicated multi-step verifications with a single-click sign-in. Of course, these multi-step verifications are important in terms of security, but as we established before, they have other algorithms which can take place for that. So this method will not be very much different from getting into social media or email or any kind of streaming service, for example. But for even more security, the platform utilizes Web3 auth with multi-party computation. This is called MPC, which distributes security responsibilities across multiple parties. This significantly reduces the risk associated with single points of failure and keeps users' assets safe, all without requiring users to understand complex cryptography or hassle with a lot of things in the platform. So basically, they're eliminating weak chains, and all the chains are now stronger thanks to this MPC. And another standout feature of WeWake is the Paymaster API, which supports zero gas user experience by prepaying transaction fees on behalf of users. In the most simple way, there are no gas fees when you're using the platform. But then you may ask, where does Wake token stand in the platform? Well, it plays a critical role actually across the platform's multiple functions. Token holders can stake Wake to cover gas fees for others, earning rewards in the process. And engaging with the platform through token swaps and referrals yields Wake cashback incentives. Holding Wakes also lowers swap fees, sometimes eliminating them entirely, so that they have this platform where you don't necessarily have to spend Wake tokens, you just stake them and eliminate the gas fees. And I think this is a circular approach and it can be really good. Also, ownership of Wake grants voting power within DAO, allowing holders to influence the direction of WeWake's deployment. Additionally, Wake unlocks premium SDK capabilities and developer tools, providing advantages to creators on the platform. The token can also serve as collateral for borrowing and lending, with all related activities monitored through the dashboard, which we will see in a minute. Speaking of how the token will be used in the ecosystem, we may as well talk about the token itself and the numbers. So the total supply is 308,726,951. Thank you for that. And this is actually thoughtfully allocated for foster growth and community involvement. The presale, actually, that is going on right now with a low price, claims the largest portion at 32%. And it's great to see that they have reserved ecosystem expansion tokens, which equals to around 14%, and 10% is designated for user rewards such as cashbacks and referrals. And yes, there's a referral system and the platform, as you can see on the dashboard. So if you're interested in what WeWake offers, and if you think what WeWake offers has a great potential, the presale offers a timely chance right now. Currently in the second stage with tokens available at 0.0115, it's an opportunity that you may take. And if you want to do that, you can click join presale, and then you need to connect your wallet to the platform. And here you can see your dashboard, and also there you can see your referral code. You can use your referral code on social media to share with others. And having said that, you can also see my referral link down in the descriptions of this video. The platform's promise of no wallet requirements and zero gas fees lowers traditional barriers, and I really appreciate what they're trying to do. What they're trying to do is basically making the entry point easier than ever for everyone. If you want more information about the platform, you can check out their website. There you can see the roadmap of the platform, FAQ section as well. You can also follow them on social channels such as Twitter and Telegram to see what they are up to now. Related links will be listed down in descriptions. Thank you for watching FinTech. Until next time.